three ways of how you can buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies in Germany. The first way you can buy Bitcoin is through eToro. It is an amazing platform for beginners and you can get started very quickly. To register with them, you just need to go to their website. I'll put all of the links below the like button. As I said, registering with eToro is very quickly. You just need to sign up with them using the sign up form. Then you will need to verify your identity, which will take most 5 minutes. Then you can go to the search bar and search for Bitcoin or BTC. Go and click on trade. You can use whatever method you want, either PayPal, debit card, online transfer. There are many options available. Just provide the amount of money you want to buy. Here I will be putting 100, return, and then just click open trade. Now I have bought $100 worth of Bitcoin. Before I go to the second method, I would really appreciate if you hit the like button. It only takes a second and helps me out a lot. The second method to buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies is through Coinbase. To register with Coinbase Pro, go to the link in the description. If you register with this link and buy 87 euros worth of Bitcoin, you'll get 10 euros worth free Bitcoin. So don't forget to use the link in the description below. To get started, simply go to their website, register with them. After registration, you will also need to verify your identity. The verification process is very simple. Just add your name, your address, and upload your passport or any other identity document. It will not take more than 1 or 2 minutes to get your identity verified. Sign in again, and on the dashboard, go to Euro under your asset. Then simply click add funds. Here you can use debit card, credit card, or bank transfer. So whichever method you feel like using, use that to add funds. With your credit card, the funds will be instantaneous. With SEPA transfer, it can take between 1 to 3 business days. With SOFOD option, it will be also SOFOD. So decide whichever method you want to add your funds with. Once your funds arrive in your account, now you can buy Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. To buy Bitcoin on Coinbase, simply go to the trade option on the left hand side and then click on buy. Here select the amount of fiat currency that you want to buy the Bitcoin with and click on buy Bitcoin. This will take a couple of seconds, but now you will have your Bitcoin in your account on Coinbase. You can verify that by going to your assets and checking out the Bitcoin amount. Here you can see that I have an amount of 0.008 BTC or 48.01 euros worth of Bitcoin, and the remaining 2 was the transaction fees that was taken from Coinbase. Now, Binance is the biggest cryptocurrency exchange in the world and it has more options compared to eToro and Coinbase. To get started with Binance, click the link in the description below and you'll get 20% off with all of your transaction fees. To register, give your email address and your password. You can also register with your mobile phone. Once you've given that, then you'll need to verify your identity. Again, in Germany, you'll need to upload your identity card or your passport. Then you'll also need to verify your address. You can upload any of your utility bills to verify your address. Once you have uploaded those documents, it will take between 5 to 15 minutes to get your identity verified. I have described the whole registration process with Binance in this video here. So if you have any other questions regarding the registration, be sure to watch that video after watching this. To buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, you'll need to deposit your funds first. So go to the top left corner and in the drop down menu for buy crypto, you'll have different options. Depending on your nationality, the options can vary. Some nationalities will have an option of direct deposit with a bank account, while other nationalities will have these 3 options as I have here. So the first one is bank card, second is advance cash, and the third one is P2P bank transfer. Now in most cases, I do not recommend using P2P transfer as it can lead to being scammed. So be careful whenever you're using P2P transfer. Add funds through whichever method is easier for you. If you decide to transfer with credit card, the transfer would be instantaneous, but with bank transfer, it can take between 1 to 3 business days. Once your funds have arrived, now you can go and buy your Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. For that, we'll go on the trade option and click convert. Here you'll have an option of converting from one cryptocurrency to other cryptocurrency or from one fiat currency to the other currency. For example, if I put in 0.0087 Ethereum and click on preview conversion, I'll be able to see how much Bitcoin I can get with this amount of Ethereum. Then simply click convert to get your Bitcoin. So these were the 3 ways to buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies in Germany. If you want me to make a specific video comparing the fees and other options, let me know in the comments below. Click here to level up your investing game, and here if you want to see my whole stock portfolio. Thanks for watching and bleib gesund.